Okay, I would like to give you the details about this gallery first of all. This gallery is the biggest gallery in Turkey and in Avanos, where they make the potteries. It's 3,500 square meter, and this is a very big family business. And the name of the family is Aldag. The name of the gallery is also Aldag, the biggest gallery in Turkey. As you can see, the master, she's making a painting. Our workshop is in another section. Downstairs, they make the potteries, they bring it here, they do the drawing, which is the black one. After the drawing, they do the coloring, painting, needlework. And when everything is done, as you see over there, they dry it on the shelf, they dry it. After drying, they take it to the workshop, they bake it, and they laminate it, they bake it, and then they bring it back again. If you want to take videos, pictures, and all you can, then you will go for the next step. They're using these tiles.
Yes.
And these tiles, Aldag family is giving. Why? Because Aldag is the only family who is using quartz. We are using quartz in our ceramic and in our tile. It makes it more stronger. Cappadocia is a volcanic area. We bring the stone, we break them, we powder them, and we put them in the ceramic. And what is the meaning of Aldag? Aldag means red and white clay. Red from the river, white from the mountain. Yes, and we put quartz in them. Why? It makes it more stronger. So when the master makes any kind of plate, they dry it for some days. After drying, they bake it for 16 hours. 800 to 1040 degrees. After baking, this is the first baking. Then they do the drawing, coloring, painting. They can touch in the plates. Drawing, coloring, painting, needlework, this texture works and all. And when everything is done, here they laminate it again. And in this lamination, there is glass in the powder, and it's a very strong glue. And this here they bake it again and on the fine.
Oh, let's see if I don't know how.
You can put them in dishwasher, you can put them in micro, you can put them in the oven, they're all usable. Example, like this is a flower design which is made by Cluster. These are one piece in the world, they come with certificate. This is the gold one, 22 karat gold. Once they bake here, second baking here, third baking the gold. So they bake the gold also one more time, but 3 times a day, the rest 2 times. This is Ottoman design, Seljuk design, which is made, this design is made by the beginners. This is Tree of Life design, which is mother and the father and the generation, love and happiness. That is Aldag family pattern, which takes like some more 10 days. This is notarized. And this is the tulip design, which is very famous in Turkey. And you have made to Turkey, so all these potteries, at least they will take 10 to 15 days to finish. So this is a very special decanter made by Mr. Yashar, one piece in the world. His name is hacked. Before 4,000 years ago, the Hittite. This is the summer of Cappadocia. They used to put any drink that after their drinks, they used to serve it like this. Anything in this decanter, it will stay same temperature more than 2 hours. Only tea and coffee, it will stay like for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, then let's go and see how they make the split faucet. When you bring it from the mountain and from the river, they mix it with the quartz powder. After mixing with the quartz powder, they put water in, they make the clay, and they put it in a bag for sunlight. After sunlight, the clay gets ready. They do the shaping. After shaping, they dry it, then they bake it, then they color baking a lot, then they leaven it, and they bake it back. So all the potteries are baked twice. And this gallery is more than 250 years. All here is original. We use the original clay because our house is here, the river is here. I have something that you've never seen in the world, even not already with it. Because in grandmother Chinese chalk, when you put vinegar inside, it will break. But these one, no. I will show you the section. So the main thing in this clay is the quartz. If there is no quartz, it's useless. And the only family who was using quartz in Turkey is Aldag, because they're starting with Aldag. The gallery is the biggest gallery in Turkey, 3,500 square feet. Only the gold one, we bake it 3 then. If this clay, if there is no quartz, no use. Quartz is making it very strong. Put it in the dishwasher, you put it in the oven, put it in the microwave, you can use it. I will give you the detail about this section. This section, promotion section, made by the beginners. The master's work has started 2-3 years. These items, maybe you can find them different places in Sultan Ahmed Grand Plaza. But these are all original quartz in it, and they are original clay from ours. Often they are not chalk. There is white and red clay. And all the prices are in US dollars. Starts from $5 to above.
Above.
Yes. And there is promotion. Example, some pieces you buy 5 pieces, 1 is free.
Okay.
Okay, please spot it. It will stay like this for 20 minutes. Some people think forever. No. It will stay like 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, it will be on. But you open the light and you close the light again, it will be guarantee, warranty, certificate, you receive it. It takes 3 weeks to 1 month. But as you say, like, I want my family picture on the plate. Customize will take more than 1 or 2 months. And we don't have social media. We don't have online set.
Market.
Okay.